Video we're going to show you how to remove the radio, CD changer, command unit from a Mercedes CL550 2008, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is a size T20 Torx screwdriver and the dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to pop up the panel in front of the monitor, and there is a size T20 screw over there which you need to open it up. Well, once you get the screw out, and then you need to pry out the AC panel, and the clips are holding it, and there is a metal clip on the bottom of this panel assembly, which I'll show you in a minute. You need to use this bigger dashboard removal tool, and then you press it in so it releases that metal plate. These are the clips for the sides, the two of them, and this is where was the screw that we took off. And on the bottom, this is the metal clip which we use that blue dashboard removal tool. We push it downward to release the pressure so we can pull it off. Basically, you just insert it and then push it down. That's all you have to do. We already removed the command unit, so it just would be easier so we can show it to you, and I will put it back in there in a few minutes and show you the command unit too. Here I'll show you where to insert your dashboard removal tool when the command unit is in there. Basically, you put it right in front of in the center of the command unit, and then push it inward, and then this is going to push that metal lever in, and then it releases the front panel. The command unit has only 4 mounting screws and 2 underneath, and the 2 on the passenger side and the driver's side, and that's it. Once you get these 4 screws out, the screws, they do not come out all the way. You just need to loosen it, and then the screw comes out with the command unit as one piece. And here it just pulls it out, and that's it. If you need any repair for the command unit or CD changer, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.